Stop marketing. No, really, I'm serious. Stop with all of the marketing. If you're a coach or consultant who is struggling to get hired by enough of those ideal clients, you need to watch this because I'm going to tell you exactly why all of that marketing you're investing your money and your energy and your life in is a giant waste, and what you need to do instead. Sound good to you? If we haven't met before, I'm Wendy White, biz dev strategist for extraordinary entrepreneurs. I help coaches, consultants, and other thought leaders like you win clients and make an extraordinary impact with their message. I'm so glad you found me. Hit the subscribe button and get to know my world. Now, let's dive right in. I bet you're running around trying a million things to get those ideal clients to show up in droves. You are blogging and live streaming and podcasting and being super duper helpful in a bazillion and one Facebook groups. You are stockpiling all of the marketing courses and you are dashing from platform to platform to platform like they are giving away cake. But they're not giving away cake, are they? And the awful truth, besides the lack of free cake, is that it's not working. Want to know why? Everyone is frantically focused on the marketing. They are working to improve the website and the social media strategy and the publicity and the emails and the videos and the quizzes and the challenges. But here is the thing. The problem isn't in your marketing. It's in your message. Every kind of marketing out there, it's just a tool to get your message out. If you don't have your unique message clear as crystal, none of that marketing is going to work. This is how 99% of coaches and consultants are shooting themselves in the foot with their marketing. Everyone is focused on how to communicate rather than what they want to communicate. But if you haven't nailed what you want to say, all of those fancy schmancy ways of saying it, all those expensive ways of saying it, all of that marketing, it's just meaningless busy work. If you haven't first nailed the message that you want to deliver, all of that marketing, it's a giant waste. It's a horrifying waste of your time and your energy and your money and your life. You know this is true because even with all of that effort and energy and investment you're putting in, you are still not standing out in your market. You are still not getting noticed as a trusted authority and a leader. And you're still not getting hired by enough of those crave-worthy clients. Now, I want you to know this is not your fault. There is a huge emphasis online on the marketing. And some of the biggest names online are teaching about the platforms and the podcasts and the emails and the videos, all of those marketing tools. And these people, they're charismatic and they're well regarded. So it's easy to think that what they're teaching is all that you need. And you do need to learn how to use those marketing tools, but you cannot start there. You first have to know what it is that you are going to say that is going to make you stand out and make them buy what you're selling. You need a message that is clear and confident and compelling and uniquely your own. And you can absolutely have that. It's already in you. You just have to unearth it and polish it off and put it front and center in your business where it can call in those perfect people. But if you're like most entrepreneurs, right now, the message that you're putting out in all of that marketing is unclear and it's confusing and it sounds just like everyone else. And that, my dear, is why the marketing isn't working at all. But the excellent news is that once you nail the message, it's going to make all of that marketing you've been slogging away on finally pay off. Yes, literally pay off. So here is my challenge for you. Stop focusing on improving the marketing and start focusing on improving the message. Don't invest any more of your time or money or energy in meaningless, money-sucking, life-destroying marketing that is saying nothing to nobody. First, you need to nail your unique, confident, and compelling message. The message that's going to connect with those ideal people and convert them into clients. The message that will make all of that marketing finally pay off. The message that's going to make an extraordinary impact on the world. I hope you found that helpful. For more on how to nail your unique message, the powerful and persuasive center that every successful business needs, click on the link and get to know my world. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe because I'm sharing strategies like this every week. Hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, go be extraordinary.